In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a contacts list, CSV file, into Pipedrive CRM. Before we jump in, a quick note on preparation. Make sure your file is a CSV with clear column headers like first name, last name, organization, email, and phone. Keep one contact per row, avoid merged cells or formulas, and save the file in UTF-8 encoding so special characters import correctly. If you already have contacts in Pipedrive, it also helps to decide which field, like email or phone, should be treated as the unique identifier for deduplication later. Start by opening your Pipedrive account and going to the left-hand panel. Click Contacts to open your list of people and organizations. In the top right corner of the Contacts view, open the three dots menu. From that menu, choose Import Data. This takes you into Pipedrive's guided import flow, which is designed to walk you through the process safely. On the initial import screen, click Next to continue. If you haven't reviewed your CSV yet, pause for a moment to double-check your headers and make sure there aren't any extra blank columns or stray characters. Clean input makes for a clean import. Now click Upload Spreadsheet and select your CSV file from your computer. After the file uploads, you'll see a preview that helps Pipedrive recognize your columns. When you're ready, click Next. This is where the real organizing happens. Follow the prompts to map your CSV columns to Pipedrive fields. Match first name to first name, last name to last name, company or account name to organization, and so on. If your file includes multiple emails or phone numbers in one cell, separate them with semicolons so Pipedrive can parse them. If you have important data that doesn't fit a standard field, you can create a new custom field during mapping and point your column to it. Next, choose how duplicates should be handled. Selecting a unique field, usually email or phone, helps Pipedrive either update existing contacts or skip duplicates to avoid clutter. You can also assign an owner for the imported contacts and optionally apply a label to make them easy to filter afterward. If your CSV includes organization names, enable the option to create organizations and link people to them automatically. When everything looks correct, click Finish. Pipedrive will process the file and display a summary of how many records were imported, updated, or skipped. If anything looks off, use the Undo option provided right after the import to roll back and try again with adjusted mappings. That's it. Your contacts are now in Pipedrive and ready for your team to use.